In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Docs good for productivity. 2026, step by step. We'll start by setting up the right document format so writing feels fast and uncluttered. Open your document, go to File, then Page Setup, choose Pageless, and click Set as Default. Without page breaks, your text flows like a modern web page, which is perfect for online content, long notes, or scripts. It also keeps images and tables responsive across different screens. Next, give your document a clean structure with headings instead of just bold text. Highlight a title, open the Style dropdown where it says Normal Text and pick Heading 1 for your main title, Heading 2 for sections, and Heading 3 for subsections. Then go to View and choose Show Outline. You'll see a clickable sidebar that becomes your built-in table of contents, letting you jump around instantly. This is a huge time saver for long documents, SOPs, and ebooks. Now turn on Smart Productivity with Chips. Type the @ symbol and choose from Person, File, Calendar, Event, Meeting, or Checklist. This connects your document to the rest of your Google Workspace, so you can reference a project doc, link a calendar event, or add a quick checklist without hunting through emails. Speaking of tools, insert a checklist from the Insert menu to plan content, track tasks, or outline SOP steps, and try voice typing under Tools when you want to capture ideas quickly. Speak naturally, then edit for clarity. Many people find this doubles their drafting speed. For collaboration, switch to Suggesting mode using the pencil icon in the top right. Your edits will appear as tracked suggestions others can accept or reject. Ideal for client reviews, team edits, or content approvals. Use comments like a project manager. Highlight text, click comment, and mention a collaborator with a short request and a due date. They'll be notified automatically, which keeps feedback in context and out of email threads. Save time by creating reusable templates for client proposals, meeting notes, content outlines, SOPs, scripts, and blog posts. And when you need one, go to File, make a copy, rename it, and start working. Learn a few high-impact shortcuts: bold with Ctrl+B, insert a link with Ctrl+K, comment with Ctrl+Alt+M, apply Heading 1 with Ctrl+Alt+1, and find text with Ctrl+F. Small wins add up. Finally, connect Docs with Drive for autosave, Calendar for meeting notes, Keep for quick capture, and Sheets for live data. For focus, keep a simple daily doc. Write today's top 3 with slots 1, 2, and 3. Add a deep work block with start and end times and a notes section. Open it first every morning to set the tone and stay on track.